Alright, we're on our way back from Copart picking up our new 2014 F150. It seems to be driving okay. Got obviously airbag light on, roof airbags have been popped. Drives pretty good, started right up. Got everything seems to be working on it so far, so it's a good sign. To get this seatbelt on, I had to move the seat back a little bit because the retractor locked, and so whoever was driving this before either was a really small person or had really long legs, or a combination. So we're gonna get the truck back and get it cleaned out, get some of this stuff torn down, trim pieces taken out, headliner pulled down, and figure out what we need to do to get this thing fixed. Shouldn't take too much work, and then we'll start working on the bed and get that pulled back and get some touch-up paint put on that, and it should be good to go for a while.